Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in our edition of today's newspaper on Thursday, December the 14th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles remain, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. You're not interested in this one, but in the binary. Yes, it's binary time. And this one, well, today we have a hard one, a binary with 12 by 12. Never solve a hard one. The hardest binary puzzle, 12 by 12. This is not a 12 by 12. This one is an 8 by 8. Yeah. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. And it will be number 7621. And before I start, I always count the printed digit 16. Alright. So, 8 by 8, that means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Then between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And now double O, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O here, one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here in the first row, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here in the last column, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. Double check 1, 2, 3, 4. In 3 minutes. Wow! We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, so we do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.